If you're still reaching out to cold leads you got from Apollo, you're doing yourself a huge disfavor, because in this video I'll show you how to find and contact hot leads with high buying intent that are ready to buy your product. And we'll do that with 2 tools in just a couple of minutes. We'll be using Origami agents to find people who are likely to buy our product, and we'll use Salesforge for unlimited multi-channel outreach. So let me show you how it works. Once you sign up to Origami, you'll see something like this. It will say, how can I find your perfect customers? You can describe how you want to find your ICP right here, or select a template to get started. Once you do that, you'll have to answer a couple questions in natural language. You basically describe your ICP, the industry, the company size, location, growth signals, whatever it is, and Origami agents will find the right leads for you. For example, right here I said I'm targeting SaaS, 1 to 50 employees, US, and some growth signals of raises, hiring, and using organic socials. And it found me 10,000 companies that are qualified and have high buying intent. So what we're going to do is actually download this list as a CSV and then go to Salesforge. In Salesforge, we go to Multichannel and click Add Sequence. We're using Salesforge because, again, it allows unlimited LinkedIn sender profiles and unlimited mailboxes, meaning you can scale outreach like never before. In this sequence, we're going to start off with email because LinkedIn has better reply rate, but it has limitations. So we first want to try out email, and if we don't get a response on email, then we do LinkedIn. So here we add our initial email, of course, spin tags it, add some variables, whatever you send in your email copy, use it here. If you don't know what to write, I suggest you check out this video where I showcase how to actually write a perfect copy. Now, once you do that, you add one follow-up after a couple of days and one last breakup email, maybe a freebie or something, just to, be on the good side of the prospect. After that, if you still don't get a reply, what we're going to do is check if the lead we added in contacts has a LinkedIn URL. If no, the sequence is over. If yes, what we're going to do is view the prospect's profile, follow the contact, and like their latest post. This way we appear on their notifications just a couple times throughout the week, which increases the connection request acceptance rate. Talking of which, we send a connection request without a note. We add withdraw connection request after 14 days to stay on the good side of LinkedIn, because if you have too many connection requests pending, it's not a great look, right? If it's accepted, we of course send a LinkedIn message. This could be the same as your email, just optimized for LinkedIn. We send a follow-up message, and then last follow-up breakup message. This is our whole sequence. Basically, we're reaching out to the prospect on email. If they do not respond, we attack them on LinkedIn. We're using multi-channel outreach to get the best results possible. What we're going to do then is go to the contacts tab and upload our CSV file that we downloaded from here right in Salesforge. Once you add it, you can validate emails or LinkedIn profiles and go to the senders tab. In senders tab, we'll create a new sender profile. Sender profile is basically a collection of the accounts you'll be using to reach out to, so the mailboxes and LinkedIn accounts. We're creating a sender profile so we could reuse it in other sequences as well. So connect the mailboxes you want to use for this outreach sequence, connect the LinkedIn accounts based on the scale you want to do this at. You can connect your own account, your team's accounts, whatever it is, right? Connect all of those accounts and go to settings. In settings, you'll be able to adjust a couple of things like plain text only for the best deliverability, tracking opportunities just to have some metrics, and adjust the time zone. And that's literally it. What we have done is launched a multi-channel outreach sequence that will contact buyers with a high buying intent, because we found 10,000 qualified leads with recent fundraisings, hiring for our role, using our tech stack in companies of our desired size and in locations that we want to work in. Now, if that's not enough and you want to see how to get even more leads, I suggest you check out this video where I showcase how to use AI to find high quality leads in literally seconds.